Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys, Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, Chef Will is here with another amazing recipe again today guys. Guys, today I'm going to be making a quiche. Guys, I made quiche before in previous videos guys, but this time, this one, different guys. So the quiche that I'm making today guys, it's a sweet potato spinach. Guys, don't have spinach today, so guess what I'm working with? Went to the backyard, guys, the garden. Some fresh callaloo guys. So we're gonna do the sweet potato, fresh callaloo guys, and some feta cheese guys. We're gonna turn it up. Flavor always have to be up. All right guys, so let's jump right in and I'll show you guys the recipe for the crust. That's the first thing I'm gonna get started. All right, so we're gonna jump right into that right now. All right, stay tuned. So right here guys, I got 1¼ cup of flour right here in this bowl, and I got what you see in there guys, that's the butter right there, and it's very cold. You got to use it very cold. All right, so that's only ½ cup of butter right there. All right, and I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of ice water in here to mix it, and I also have ½ a teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, pretty simple. So we're just gonna mix this together guys, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Guys, my mixer is pretty noisy that I'm using, so I'll mix it and then I'll show you guys. So guys, the dough is finished mixing right here. Just gonna put it in some plastic and we're gonna wrap it. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge for a few minutes, and we're gonna get the rest of the ingredient ready for the quiche. So this is just the crust. All right guys, so let's get it in the fridge. So guys, first thing first, I got 2 medium-sized potatoes right here, and I'm gonna get those shredded in a grater. All right, and that's for the quiche. So I'm just gonna get these started. All right, so guys, I got a nice perforated pan right here. Gonna go right on the stove top over the water. All right guys, just gonna put the sweet potato that I shredded right in here, and guys, this works out to about 2 cups of shredded potatoes. It's gonna shrink down a bit guys, so don't worry, it's not too much. This is one of my fall recipe guys for the quiche. The callaloo and or spinach is just optional. You don't have to use it in there if you're using it for the fall, but I'm just adding some callaloo to it today, to my quiche. So we're just gonna get this right over the hot water guys, and we're just gonna steam them off or blanch it for a bit till they get nice and tender. All right, so guys, I changed my mind from the callaloo guys. I got some broccoli here in my fridge that I have to use up guys. So guess what I did? I chopped this up and I'm gonna use this instead of the callaloo. All right guys, I'll use the callaloo another day. All right guys, I'm just gonna jump right in and get it going. And guys, I got some tomatoes here already diced up. That's gonna go in there just to bring a little bit of color to it. All right, so guys, the potato, it's ready. Just use a fork and you keep on stirring it as you go guys, and it blanch off pretty nice. All right, so we're just gonna squeeze it a bit, get any excess water in there out. All right, so that's done and ready to go inside the quiche. So guys, this is the crust right here. I just rolled it out with a rolling pin guys, and I'm gonna get it right inside the pie. Let me show you guys. I'm using the glass one. All right, so we're gonna get it inside this guys, and gonna get the pie filling inside. So guys, I just get it in the pie pan right here, and I'm just cutting off the excess crust. So you just go ahead and use a knife and cut that right around. Pretty simple and easy guys. All right, there we go. And you can use a fork and just make some lines on it, however you guys like it. So guys, it's just could go ahead and do that. Beautiful. So guys, what I got right here, 4 eggs. Just gonna whisk that together. Okay guys, so this is the 4 eggs right here I whisked. And I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, going right inside. Scrape it all out. Then guys, 1 cup of 10% cream. You can use milk as well. Beautiful. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now, right? I'm just gonna get all this stuff that I'm gonna pack inside. I should show you guys. Got a half of a small onion that I cooked off right on the stove top right here. I just browned it a little bit, and then I had a little bit of garlic to it. All right, I'm gonna add that right inside here, because guys, you want to turn up the flavor on your quiche, right? So you need some onions inside. And that's 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add a cup of cheese to that. And that's cheddar cheese I'm using. You guys can use mozzarella. Mix that around. And guys, right now I'm just gonna add the sweet potato right inside. So that's the shredded sweet potato right there. Looking beautiful. What's next, guys? The broccoli going in there. And just mix everything right in, guys. I have a little bit of tomato diced up right here. Put about 2 tablespoons of the tomatoes in there. And I'm just gonna pour this right in. My quiche. Fits perfectly, guys. I have this penciled out, guys. So just use a spoon or a fork and just spread everything right out, guys. You want to see the broccoli popping on top, and your cheese. Beautiful. Looking good. And guys, what I do, I have some grape tomatoes here. Just gonna place some right around like that. And guys, I have a little bit of crumbled feather. I'm just gonna sprinkle that right over it. So guys, that's my quiche here, ready to go. We're gonna get it inside the oven. It's at 350 right now. We're gonna get it in. Okay guys, that's the finished product right there. It's pretty much done. It takes about 45 minutes in the oven. All right, I just got it out. I'm gonna cut into it right now. So guys, take a look at it. How beautiful it comes out. So lovely. Wow. And guys, I'm gonna dig right into it right now. Try a piece of it. Wow. Guys, the flavor is up again. Amazing. Wow. Guys, you gotta try this one out. Please guys, try it out and let me know Thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, subscribe, guys, to this channel. And please share it like food, all right? Guys, I'll see you in the next one.